Okay, breaking news sa mga naghihintay sa update regarding Junmar Fajardo. Well, good news ay kahit day-to-day si Junmar Fajardo dito sa ating semifinals ng PBA 49 season Philippine Cup ay na-avoid niya yung serious injury na medyo kinakatakot din ng karamihan dahil nga nagkaroon siya ng calf injury nung game 1 and according to San Miguel team officials. And that includes Coach Leo Austria ay nothing serious, no? No serious calf injury para kay Junmar Fajardo and he's actually cleared to play in game 2, no? Ayon kay Coach Leo Austria ay nagtamo ng tightness sa kanyang right calf itong si Junmar Fajardo. Pero the good news is after a check-up with the doctors on Thursday morning, ay na-discover na walang tear sa kanyang calf, no? And he is actually cleared to play for Friday's game against Barangay Ginebra. Well, good news in a way dahil pagdating sa calf injury, medyo unpredictable ito, no? When it comes to these kinds of injuries, nabasa natin, no? Based on our research, if depending on the severity of the calf injury, either ano yan either weeks or months yung recovery ng calf injury, no? But the good thing for Junmar Fajardo is nothing serious, walang tear after a checkup with the doctors. And again, he is cleared to play. That is according to team manager Gia Banilla. Pero sabi rin niya, the final decision rests on San Miguel head coach Leo Austria kung gagamitin niya si Junmar Fajardo for game 2. So in a way, kahit day-to-day si Junmar Fajardo, it is still good news dahil na-avoid niya yung serious injury. Dahil nga aside from San Miguel, ay lalaro rin si Junmar Fajardo for Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025. So good news na rin yan, no? Para sa San Miguel Beerman, although yun nga he's facing the possibility of missing game number 2 dahil nga sabi nga ni Coach De Austria, actually siya nagsabi na day to day, but sabi rin naman ni Coach G. Abanilla, he's cleared to play and depende na yan kay Coach Leo Austria kung gagamitin niya si Junmar Fajardo. Incidentally, nakausap natin si Coach Leo Austria nung nalaman natin na wala siyang serious injury itong si Junmar Fajardo at pakinggan natin yung ating interview with Coach Leo Austriano with regards to the status of Junmar Fajardo. Well, teka lang medyo may konting ano tayo, technical problem, but ito na. Pakinggan natin.
Morning. Naka-schedule siya ng 10 to 12 for check-up. Ganyan. And then, unfortunately, there's nothing serious.
Oh, okay. Good news.
Okay. And then, walang tear sa kanya. No? But, day-to-day basis yung kanyang kung yung status niya. So, let's see kung ano mangyayari tomorrow sa kanya, but ongoing treatment pa rin siya. Nothing serious, pero kailangan, siguro kung maglalaro siya, pagka-management. But told him na my concern is yung kanyang kalagayan. I don't care kung di siya maglaro as long as na mapangalagaan namin yung kanyang injury. But it depends on the doctor at saka sa kanya.
Okay, that was Coach Leo Austria, the head coach of San Miguel in our interview today, no? After nung nalaman natin na si Junmar Fajardo ay day-to-day, no serious injury for him and he is cleared to play for game 2. Ang tanong na lang dyan is will he be ready for that game kasi galing nga siya sa injury and let's see kung gagamitin siya ni Coach Leo Soria sa game 2. So again in game 2, the Beermen are hoping na makatabla sila, no, after losing game 1 to Barangay Ginebra where Ginebra won after coming back from an 18-point deficit. So yan po yung update natin kay Junmar Fajardo with regards to his injury in Game 1. And again, he's cleared to play in Game 2. Pero again, the decision rests on Coach Leo Austria kung gagamitin niya si Junmar Fajardo. Tingin nyo ba, kailangan bang gamitin ni Coach Leo Austria si Junmar Fajardo for Game 2 or dapat ipahingan nila si Junmar in preparation na rin for the future games of the Philippine Cup semifinals against Barangay Ginebra? Comment down below. So yan po ang ating maiksing video with regards to Junmar Fajardo's injury. Ako po si Ruben Terrado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.